Have you just bought a spa pool or swim spa from Spa World, or are you thinking of buying one? If so, it's likely that you have some questions around building permits, council, and installation requirements. This video will cover frequently asked questions that apply specifically to New Zealand. This video is designed to provide a simplified overview of current regulations in reference to Spa World products. It is not a complete guide, and we advise all customers to seek independent advice in relation to their own personal site requirements. The information in this video was accurate at the time of recording. However, this can change without notice, and the viewer must check with their local council. Hi, I'm Annabella, and in this video I'm going to get you up to speed with all the need to know information and common questions about regulations that apply to those that are shopping for or installing a spa pool or swim spa in New Zealand. In most cases during this video, I will refer to spa pools and swim spas as spas. In this video, I will cover the following topics that apply nationwide: spa building permits and registrations, installing a spa, safety barriers for spas, general frequently asked questions, finding the right location for your spa, installing a spa, electrical requirements, customizing a spa and alternatives, using the spa, and the Spa World Learning Centre. We recommend that you contact your local council to find out if there are any rules that apply specifically to your area. Section 1. Spa building permits and registrations in New Zealand. Do I need a building permit for my new spa? No, you don't need a building permit for your new spa. However, you will need a building consent when installing a pool barrier. That's if a barrier or fence is required. Does my spa or swim spa need to be registered on the council's swimming pool and spa register? If you have a spa that's classified as a small heated pool and meets the following requirements, you do not need to register your spa pool. These are that the surface area of water is 5 square metres or less, the height of the spa is at least 760 millimetres above any adjacent floor. This includes surrounding decks, ground, or the surface the spa pool sits on. The pool has no steps and has a clear zone of 1200 millimetres around the spa. And the pool has a complying lockable safety cover with complying warning signs that are fixed to 2 opposite sides of the cover. Warning: the spa pool cover must be locked at all times except when there is adult supervision. If your spa pool does not meet the requirements, it will need to be registered with your local council. Do I need a building permit to build a small deck around my new spa? No, building consent is not required for decks, platforms, bridges, boardwalks, and similar structures, as long as the height that you can fall from is less than 1.5 metres. Can I install a spa or swim spa over an easement on my property? No spa can be constructed over any pipelines, for example stormwater or sewer pipes, that are owned by the council or within a council easement that's used for services. The foundation needs to extend 45 degrees from below the pipe invert to the ground surface. The point that the 45-degree area extends from needs to be 150 millimetres below and 300 millimetres to the side of the pipe invert. Section 2. Installing a spa in New Zealand. What are the requirements for a spa or swim spa slab in New Zealand? Spa World can provide generic concrete slab designs for both swim spas and portable spas, and these are suitable for most soil types. For more information, please head to the Learning Centre on our website. Section 3. Safety barriers for spas in New Zealand. Does my new spa need to be fenced with an approved pool safety barrier? If you have a spa pool that's classified as a small heated pool and meets the following requirements, you do not need to build a fence around the spa. The surface area of water is 5 square metres or less. The height of the spa is at least 760 millimeters above any adjacent floor. This includes surrounding decks, ground, or the surface the spa pool sits on. The pool has no steps and has a clear zone of 1200 millimeters around the spa. And finally, the pool has a complying lockable safety cover with complying warning signs that are fixed to two opposite sides of the cover. Warning: the spa pool cover must be locked at all times except when there is adult supervision. If your spa pool does not meet the requirements, it will need to be registered with your local council. Do I need a registered builder to carry out building work for my pool safety barrier? No, you don't need a registered builder to carry out the building works associated with a pool safety barrier. Can my property boundary fence form part of the required pool safety barrier? Yes, if you plan to use a building or boundary fence to form part of the pool safety barrier, then all windows and doors that lead to the pool area must comply with the New Zealand Building Code. Section 4. General frequently asked questions about spas in New Zealand. Does my new spa need to have a CPR sign installed adjacent to the spa? CPR signs are not a requirement in New Zealand, but SPASA, which stands for Swimming Pool and Spa Association of New Zealand, recommends that spa owners do display one. A CPR sign can be purchased from any pool shop. Does Spa World have electrical approval on all the products that we sell? Yes, all Spa World products have the legally required electrical approvals. Do you require a copy of these certificates? Please send an email to compliance@spaworld.co.nz. Section 5. Finding the right location for your spa. Can I install my spa into a deck? Yes, you can install a spa into a deck. Keep in mind there are many things to consider to ensure you can have trouble-free use of your spa for years to come. We recommend that you head to the Learning Centre on our website. Can you manually carry or lift a spa pool into position? We don't recommend lifting a spa pool manually because they are heavy. For advice and handy tips, we recommend that you read our pre-delivery guide. Do you need a crane to install a swim spa? Yes, you will need a crane to install a swim spa. Depending on accessibility, a hire truck may be able to do the job, otherwise a crane will be necessary. How do you get the spa pool or swim spa into a backyard? Well, this depends entirely on your access to your property and the location of the spa pool or swim spa. We recommend that you head to the Learning Centre to learn about other options to consider. Can I install my spa pool or swim spa in-ground? We don't provide in-ground shells, however you can still install your spa pool or swim spa into a pit. We recommend that you view the pre-delivery information on our website for further details. Can I place my spa pool or swim spa on anything other than a concrete slab without voiding my warranty? We strongly recommend that you use engineered slabs, and we can even provide you with a generic engineered design. However, if you would like to put your spa on anything other than an engineered slab, you will need to arrange for an engineer to certify the foundation. For more information, visit our Learning Centre. Section 6. Installing a spa. Do I need approvals for my spa? Spa World asks that every customer checks with their local council or certifier about what approvals are required to install a spa pool or swim spa on their property. Do I need to fence my spa? Each state has their own fencing requirement guidelines, and this is based on many factors, including the product and location. However, we do advise all customers to check with local councils or certifiers before installing a spa. Does Spa World offer an installation or compliance service? Spa World offers a delivery service to customers who live within a certain radius of the store location. It's best to contact your local Spa World showroom to see if we can deliver to your property. The Spa World team doesn't install spa pools or swim spas or issue certifications for your installation. However, Spa World can refer you to a certifier that will help you with the regulations that are specific to your property. Using a certifier can save you a great deal of time and money. Where can I find information on delivery or installation of my spa? The best place to go for this is the Spa World website. You can find all the information you need about pre-delivery and installation ideas just through our Learning Centre. It's also important to note that when you make a spa or swim spa purchase, you will be assigned a Spa World concierge who will look after you and make regular contact from the moment you make your purchase through until after the delivery. Do I need to contact a plumber when installing a new spa? The short answer to this is no. However, if you're installing the spa pool or swim spa into a pit, you will need a plumber to ensure there is adequate drainage in place to prevent the pit from flooding. I already have a concrete slab, but it's not level, so what can I do? There are floor leveling products that you may be able to use to provide a level surface. If you have a fall of over 20 millimeters over any length of the spa, you may be able to use chocks to provide a level surface. We suggest that you email compliance@spaworld.co.nz. Who should carry out electrical work associated with spa installations? All electrical work must be carried out by a qualified electrician. What is the maximum distance a heat pump can be installed from the circulation pump of the spa? We recommend that the distance between the heat pump and circulation pump should be no greater than 3 meters. The height distance between the two pumps should not be any greater than 1 meter. And to learn more, we recommend that you read this article. Section 7, Electrical Requirements. Where do I find information on power requirements for my spa or swim spa? You will find all power requirement information on the tech sheet that can be downloaded from the Spa World website. Do spas and swim spas need to have electrical and plumbing approvals in order to be sold in Australia and New Zealand? Yes, all spas need to have both certifications in place in order to be sold legally in Australia and New Zealand. Having an approved spa is vital to your family's safety. For further information, please email compliance@spaworld.co.nz. Can I run my spa on an extension lead? No, your spa must have a dedicated power supply that's provided by a licensed electrician that's in line with local and national regulations. Section 8, Customising a spa and alternatives. Do I need a hard cover for my spa? Your spa needs to be covered when not in use. The cover that Spa World supplies is lockable and provides a high level of insulation. This has a great impact on reducing running costs of the spa. Leaving an empty spa uncovered and exposed to the sun will damage the acrylic, and this is not covered under warranty. I'm allergic to chlorine or don't like the smell, so can I use salt instead? Yes, we are able to offer salt systems for swim spas. However, there are also other solutions out there such as mineral and peroxide-based chemicals that may be better suited for you. Visit our Learning Centre for more information. Can I customise the jets or layout in the spa? Can I get extra jets? No, this isn't a possibility because the spas are designed and engineered to function for optimum performance and meet the relevant regulations. Section 9, Using the spa. Can I leave my spa empty when not in use? Yes, you can leave it when not in use. However, you must follow a shutdown procedure in your manual and ensure that the hard cover is in place to reduce the effects of direct sunlight or too much heat on the spa shell while empty. As mentioned earlier, leaving an empty spa uncovered and exposed to the sun will damage the acrylic, and this is not covered under warranty. Can you run the spa cold in the summer? Yes. The only issue you may face is if the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius outside. The temperature of the spa water will still be high due to ambient temperature. But if you truly want a cool spa in summer, you may need to purchase an optional heat pump which can both heat and cool the spa water. Heat pumps can also save up to 70% on spa heating costs compared to electric heaters. Can I put the spa inside my house? Yes. It's possible to install a spa pool inside a house if the spa's destination point is accessible. We recommend that you ensure you have a good ventilation system and drainage system. This is in case the spa pool was to ever develop a leak. Can I turn my spa off between uses? The short answer is yes. However, we strongly advise against doing this, and that's because the spas are designed to filter and heat when not in use. but turning them off, you will not have filtration and your water will need to be replaced or treated excessively in order to be safe. Section 10, Spa World Learning Centre. Do you still have questions that are not covered in this video? For more information, visit the Learning Centre on our website. It's here where you can scroll through our helpful video library. You can also read reviews, comparison and maintenance articles, as well as follow customer journeys and read testimonials from our customers, and more. Thanks for watching this video. You should now have a much clearer understanding of the building permits, council requirements, when it's necessary to hire a professional in New Zealand, and answers to common questions that spa owners have. In this way, you'll be able to continue with your spa buying or installation with the confidence that you know what steps you need to take in order to ensure that your spa meets the standards, will be safe to use, and can avoid potential issues from occurring in the future. If you would like to speak directly with a Spa World team member, please head to your nearest showroom.